Okay. And you can log on a Thursday night. Cause tomorrow morning I'm actually gonna leave to go up camping, so, so yeah. And I'm sorry I haven't uploaded the um sorry I haven't uploaded the RC car video yet. I'm trying to figure some stuff out with it, like how I can put my intro in and stuff. Yeah, I wanna really go where I'm going camping. But I can drive RC cars around. And I actually did find a free download for an Xverse TV Unleashed full version, so yeah. Yeah. And I'm gonna try and get the unboxing video. Not much has happened this week so far, so I'll see you guys later.